Controversial Cook County judge in the Domestic Violence Division has been reassigned.
There have been calls to remove Judge Thomas Nowinski because of recent cases, including one where he released a man who's later accused of killing his wife. Our Darius Johnson live at the Domestic Violence Courthouse where that judge hears cases. And Darius, you just got some new video from one of these tragic cases.
Good morning. The presiding judge says that the transfer request was made by Judge Thomas Nowinski himself. Judge Nowinski presided over two cases, both involving orders of protection. I'm going to walk you through those cases, but I need to warn you, the details in both are hard to hear, as well as the cries for help.
What are you doing? What are you doing, dude?
Those are the cries from Leland Avenue in Portage Park. La Cremora Beldy tried to get help numerous times getting away from her husband, Constantine Beldy. Prosecutors asked to have her husband held in jail as he awaited trial for domestic battery and attempted kidnapping. But in October, Judge Nowinski released him on electronic monitoring. Then, within days of his next court hearing, Constantine went to her home and stabbed her to death. He was found later that evening dead in a vehicle nearby. Then in March of last year, a story that pulled at the heartstrings. 11-year-old Jaden Perkins stabbed to death at his Edgewater home while trying to protect his mother. This came weeks after Nowinski denied the mother's emergency protection order for her abuser, Corsetti Brand. Nowinski said it was because Brand was still in prison, but the Illinois Prisoner Review Board granted Brand parole in February, and he was released the day before the attack. The network, a group that advocates against domestic violence, say they appreciate the chief judge's commitment to strengthen protections for domestic violence survivors. Nowinski's new assignment, hearing misdemeanor and traffic-related cases, begins on Monday. We're live in South Loop this morning. I'm Darius Johnson, CBS News Chicago.